Welcome to the report out for the Installation Manual SWIS. We were able to finalize the SWIS and set it up for a quarterly PDCA. The Installation Manual is available on the portal under Engineering, Standard System Info, and Installation Manual. That's where the most recent copy of the Installation Manual will be available. The SWIS starts with planning stage. Once the final fabs on a project are released, the Installation Manual team will meet with the job team and see if any conditions would be good candidates to add to the manual. We would then gather all the relevant information and stage it in folders for the next steps.
The scheduling will be done for Mondays, ideally, and as required for every project that comes up and we have any items too.
Next up is creation.
Okay, for the creation process, our team made a very simple guide for drafting. And here we basically break down the steps and include some instructional videos on how to follow them along.
Next up is checking.
During the checking stage, the project coordinator used a Bluebeam session to check the final product against the detailed and to make sure the final quality is correct. So that way we can incorporate into the installation manual.
And the last stage of the SWIS is publish and advertise.
Yes, finally, once all the steps are done, the publishing will be done after all the steps have been completed 100%, and the completed file will be sent to advertise on the Monday managers meeting.
The final results of the SWIS are that we have a process in place that goes from when the files are available after the final fabs, all the way through creating the parts and pieces for the manual, getting them verified, and then publishing and advertising so that anytime there's a new manual available, everyone is aware of it. Thanks for watching.